Dear children, you generally ask, especially about the seventh class students. You ask about the fishermen or fisher folk. Who are they? Just those people are also residing beside us near the incline tunnel under our Eagle Penta hill area. Just I am going to take you a small shots. You can see their residences, etc., and their putti, that is fishing boats. Already you know well about it. And modern fishing boats, this is what putti, like that, they are made up of the fiber. Now you can see the differences between the two types of putties. This is the fiber one, and just beside this is a traditional one. They used tar on some plastic bags, and the particular bowl like shape, this was made with some bamboo, and they were all tied. To prevent the water to seep inside, they applied some tar, and for this nothing is needed. It is totally made up of fiber. This is a traditional one. This is the modern one. With these putti, fishermen go inside, they venture into the river for fishing. And similarly, here there is a lift like structure is there, you can see. Here it is there, and this is the bucket, and from this bucket there is a track. Observe the track, and in this bucket, and then motor. Yes, and see some more putties here, and there is a tourism boat. Some construction works are going on there. Another lift is under construction, and let's come to the point of this one. And with this help of this particular rails, and then this bucket, and then the bucket is tied here with iron rope, and when this these levers are operated, this bucket will go along the tracks. They go down, and if the fish quantity is in bulk, that is dumped in this bucket there, and then again it is pulled upwards. And sometimes even the people also can get it into, and they can also travel. See the arrangement here. Right, the fisher folk, you can see that one. And these are the houses of it. Okay.